watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Every week we do a talk with Angelo live in addition to our videos on the show. And this week we got a lot of great stuff that we're talking about as we head into ending of August. Next week will be September. So almost finished with this year, man. So, we got, what, 3 more months left. We got, Halloween coming, then Thanksgiving and Christmas, the New Year's, and then boom, the year's over. So, man, this year it feels like, I don't know, it just feels like it went by really fast. So, I don't know how you guys feel, but it just seemed like it went by quick. And, thankfully, though, interest rates are coming down and look like the market's improving in our favor. So, I'm glad about that. Uh, you know, Lower rates mean more opportunity, better deals for real estate investors. Hey, Kevin, what's up, buddy? Thank you so much for touching base. If you guys ever have any questions, tune in, hit us up, ask any questions that you want. We're going to be talking about real estate, credit deals, funding, everything like that. And really, that's just the name of the game, what we do. We're here to give you the information, educate you, give you the knowledge, and do everything that we can to fund your loan. That's within our power. Um, you know, so we do all different types of financing, whether it's hard money, commercial, residential. Some loans are, you know, easier than others, and we'll fight with you to the finish line to get it done, and do whatever it takes if you want to. But anyway, stuff I'm going to be talking about tonight. I'm going to be talking about VA mortgages, VA loans. That's one thing I'm going to be talking about. Also, I'm going to be talking about Section 8 investment properties, how to calculate rental income and cap rate. And then also, if your loan got denied, some of the reasons why your loan got denied and how to figure it out, how to make the loan work. And so, and then if you have questions, let me know. Please share your comments, concerns, whatever with us, or any ideas, or if you have the stuff that we're talking about, if you want more information. You can also go to our channel at Angelo Christian on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and our website, officially Angelo Christian, if you have any questions. Um, that's why we're here, to get you the knowledge, educate you, empower you, whatever, to help you. So the first part of this segment, I want to talk about VA loans. We've been specializing in veteran mortgages for nearly 2 decades, and we do all different types of VA loans. VA ground-up construction loans, VA cash-out loans, VA loans down to a 500 credit score, property waiver taxes on veteran loans. So VA mobile home, VA multifamily. VA is one of the vast product selections of all the programs in the marketplace, and it literally is the best home loan that you can get for many reasons. So there's no mortgage insurance on these loans. There's no income restriction, no location restriction. You do not have to be a first-time buyer. You can use the second use for VA. So you can buy a multifamily up to 4 units with VA. And one of the most powerful ones that I think is amazing is the VA one-time close construction. You can literally build your home, buy the land, build your house with 100% financing, no money down, and get all the closing costs included with a VA one-time close construction. It's a beautiful loan. And there's no other loan in the planet that offers that except for the VA. And get no mortgage insurance, get a low 30-year fixed interest rates around 6.5% right now. So it's a no-brainer. I mean, where else can you do that at? Except for the VA. Or if you own a house, you can refinance and cash out with the VA up to 100% of the value. So that's a very powerful thing with the VA. You couldn't do that with any other loan out there. So if you're a veteran, you know a veteran that's trying to get funding, we offer the VA programs nationwide. You can call or text our office, 832-431-6331, and we can help you with that. We also got to a 500 credit score at the VA. So there's a lot that we can do. So if you know a veteran that's in any of those type of situations, the other thing that's really cool about the VA loan is that you can do it to 4 units. You can buy a multifamily, a 4 unit, and get 100% financing. And there's no loan limit. I mean, you could buy, whether in Dallas or LA or New York or whatever, there's no limit. But you have to live in one of the units, and then you can rent out the other units, and then you can use the rental income on the other units to qualify um, you for the loan. For example, let's say that you make $100,000 a year, and you want to buy, a $2 million property. Your income's not enough, obviously, to support a $2 million loan. You can use the income for the other units. If each unit's giving you, $2 grand a month, then you can use that income of the other 3 units, 6,000. Now they don't give you a full 100% credit for the income. They only give you 75% credit for the income, but you can still use that to help you qualify for the loan. So it's an awesome, and it's zero down, low fixed rate, 100% financing. The one thing that is important with the VA loan that you have to understand is for you to purchase a 4 unit, if you're a veteran, you have to document and prove that you have some type of property management experience where you've managed tenants before. Now, if you're buying just a single family or a duplex, then you don't have to do that. But if you're buying a triplex or a quad, then you have to show that you have property management experience. So that's very important, um, to show that you have that, or have a property management company that's managing it for you. So this is a really important thing if you're a veteran. So, and we go down to a 500 credit score with that program. You can also, with the VA, buy properties that need rehab up to 15 grand. So if you're looking for a property on the market for sale and needs a little bit of work, you can purchase a home, a fixer-upper that needs a little bit of work, up to 15,000 with the VA. You can also buy a manufactured home, single wide or double wide, with the VA. That's another great thing too. So it's just an amazing product, and we really are proud to be able to offer it and what we specialize in with it. So if you know any veterans out there that need help with financing for the VA, they have questions, they're trying to get funding, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. We offer that nationwide. From Hawaii to New York, we have the Veterans Program. And we're proud to be able to offer it. So, yeah, if you guys have any more questions about that, you can call or text my office at 832-431-6331, or obviously we have all the links down below to our website, Official Angelo Christian, our Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, all that stuff. Remember, we're a nationwide commercial and residential and hard money lender. So just let us know what we can do to help you out. So that's what I want to talk about with VA loans. Now shifting gears, now talking about, we want to talk about Section 8 employment gaps. cap rate, understanding property values. That's a whole other thing. So a lot of what we do is we cater to a lot of investors out there, first-time investors, very large investors, and understanding Section 8 cap rate. How does that all work? How do you determine the value of a property? Very, very important things to make sure that your deal is going to work for you. So the first thing is like, okay, what's cap rate? How do you determine the value of the property? So you want to be able to determine when you're getting into a deal, what is the value of it? Does it make sense? What is the cap rate? So cap rate is determining what the rate of return is and also the risk of the property. The lower the cap rate means that it's going to be way more valuable, less risky property. Like a 4 to 5% cap rate is amazing. It's a Class A property versus a 10 to 12 cap rate is going to be a higher return, but also higher risk. So how you determine what the cap rate is you take what an NOI, the net operating income, the income that's coming in on the property, and then you divide that by the value. So it's a simple division of dividing the NOI over the value. So if you have a NOI of 300,000 and you divide that by a value of $6 million, if that's the value, then you'll get a cap rate of 5%, and that would be a very good property. Okay, so that's how you determine what the cap rate is, and if that's something that you want to get involved with. Now, how you determine what the value of the property is just using those ratios in an inverse to determine what the value of the property is, because that's a really important thing that you want to find out if you don't know what the value is. So you can take the NOI divided by the cap rate, okay, and that will tell you what the value is. Okay, so you're thinking in this example that the NOI is 300,000 and you think the cap rate is 8%, then that would give you a value of around 3.5 million. Okay, so and that will tell you if you think that the property is underpriced or if it's overpriced. Let's say the guy's asking 5 million for it, but your metrics are coming back at 3.5 million, then you know that the property isn't worth it and it's not a good deal. Now, the opposite is that if your calculation comes back that the property is undervalued and you can get a good deal and has intrinsic value, then it's worth it for you to invest in it. So, and then obviously how you plug in Section 8 of this, it's a way to make a lot of money with guaranteed fixed, income, through your local government. You can get income, from the local government for leasing out to these tenants. We've done a lot of podcasts, a lot of shows on Section 8, how to set up your LLC, get approved for the DSCR loans, your property management, apply for the Section 8 in your local area. And then we recommend using a mixture of Section 8 with standard tenants to have the best blend of return. And you can do it on single family or multifamily properties. So if we can help you with that, don't be a stranger. Call or text our office. We lend nationwide on investor loans, DSCR loans, Section 8 housing, doing no-doc and private lending. So please reach out to us, call or text us. We're local here in Houston. We have 2 locations, one in the Woodlands, one in Houston, and then nationwide, and also offices in Chicago, Miami. So if we can help anything, please don't be a stranger. Reach out for funding. We got a lot of different packages that we offer. So we want to be able to help you to figure it out. So, and then please, don't forget to share, subscribe, like the channel, enable notifications, push this out to anybody that that wants more information for the content. We're here to help you, get you the knowledge, get the information. Call or text my office, 832-431-6331. We're open 7 days a week. Share this information with anyone out there that needs help. We appreciate you guys watching the show and the channel. We'll be back again next week, so please hit us up if we can help you. Call, text my office, 832-431-6331. If we can help with anything, we're here to help you to make it happen. Thank you guys so much for watching Angelo Christian. Have a great holiday weekend. We'll see y'all again next week. Take care and peace out.